Hello to the group. John Sturck coming from Kingston, Idaho, east of Coeur d'Alene. This is a little camping area on the Kingston, Idaho exit called Albert's. I'll put it in the description. It's like Albert's Camp or something like that, or Albert's Hideaway, or really nice. We got a trailer or a camp trailer over here. My in-laws have a camp trailer, but in this video, I'm going to show some of my fishing right off the shores in this area. That was incredible. Yesterday, I got 5 cutthroat. This morning, I got 1 cutthroat, all between 16 and 18 inches, which is really nice. Fishing it on the Beleza UX and the Abu Garcia Revo SP Beast, which they don't make anymore. Using some 5-pound braid, which is black. I don't use leaders because I don't believe in leaders. It's one more area of the line to break and separate. So I don't like to use leaders, and I just hate it. So I got black line here. It's been fine. Everything's been great. Mosquitoes are crazy, so bring your bug juice. This right here has been a really powerful bait. The X-Zone lure. Can't remember the name of it, but it came out a couple years ago. Great stuff. It catches fish when everything else doesn't catch fish. Using waders in the water. Got a GoPro with a chest rig right here that you'll be seeing the footage of. And then I carry all my tackle in this messenger bag on my back. It's a lot easier and it's waterproof. And then I put all my tackle in these and I pull them out as needed. The other popular bait has been this grub I'm having a brain moment. What is his name? He's in Grand Rapids, and he's a trout fisherman and a small bluegill fisherman, and I will think of it. These you can also get on AliExpress. I'm frustrated. I can't remember his name. Darn it. I should have wrote this down. But these are great. These caught 3 fish yesterday also. And then the other winner was the HD Minnows series of lures. This right here, crazy productive. This caught 2 fish, and I think one this morning. Great stuff. So I really want to get into the bigger fish. I'm going to try to work on that tonight and tomorrow to get some deeper stuff. Maybe use some of these. We'll see, to make some noise. But the fish are finicky, and the fish are there. You just have to know what to throw. And then I might throw this too. We'll see. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. A lot of fun. It's a lot of fun when you're catching fish. When you're not catching fish, it's tough. But I'm really happy that it's been proven that I kind of know what I'm doing, because I'm catching stuff. So you got to go where the fish are. That's the lesson I've learned, is go where you can find the fish. All right, that's it. Full stop. Hope you're able to get out there and enjoy. Up here in Northern Idaho is God's country. It's amazing. I kind of wish we lived here. I don't know if I could survive the winters. I'm trying to get an idea if the winters are really tough. But yeah. All right. Cheers. This is a nice one. Boy. It's interesting because the fish are there. It all depends on what you're throwing at them. And if you're throwing anything good. Man. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Next time I'll bring the net. I hate doing it like this. It's crazy. Oh, that's nice. I need some line. Easy there, buddy. Easy there, buddy. Nice, look at that. Look at that. Another 16-inch fish. Good deal. Wow. This is crazy how those fish just hit it like a ton of bricks. And I need a net. I didn't bring a net because I'm not very good at catching fish. I didn't think I was going to catch it. That was awesome. And I caught him on this. Right there. That's what I got him on. And he just smacked it. Wow, 3 fish. 3 fish right next to the campsite. It's like, holy moly, why go anywhere else? Why drive up the road when all the fish are here? What do I got going on here? Yeah, a bit of a cookiness. Alright, well, okay. Nice. Oh, where's that? Hello. I don't have the net. Am I gonna have to come to you? Huh? What am I gonna have to do? Oh yeah, you're nice. You are nice. You are. You are a nice fish. Easy. You are a nice fish. Two. Yeah, you are. I'm gonna get you back in the water. Look at you. Wowzers. Yeah. Well. Wow. There he is. There he is. Come on now. Man, oh man, you guys fight. You guys fight. Oh yeah, you guys fight. You guys fight. Maybe I got you. Maybe I got you snagged, huh? Get my phone. Camera. Give me the camera. I'm going the wrong way. I didn't bring the net. Dang, nabbit. Come on now. Come on. This X-Zone Lures minnow is just incredible. Oh, he's fighting. He's holding. He's holding. He's a big one. He's rolling. He's rolling. Here he comes. Come on. Come on now. Come on, you monster. Can't see you. Wow. Oh yeah. He does not want to come in. He does not want to come in. Come on. Come on now. Boy, he is a fighter. He is fighting. Come on. You are a beast. Easy now. Easy now. Yeah. 60 inches. Gorgeous. Bye-bye. Wow. So, I've learned a lot with this little exercise. The fish are there. You just gotta be throwing the right bait. Full stop. That was a gorgeous fish. That was just incredible. Caught on the X-Zone lures. I can't even remember what these are called, but I've done videos on these before. These things, I have no idea what they did with these, but these are incredible. Wow. That was awesome.